So, guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram, today we are going to solve a very interesting problem which was asked yesterday in Google SWE Intern. Okay, now this problem is very much interesting, and I don't want to directly spoil you guys with the solution. Okay, first, I want that we both, the audience and me, do plenty of analysis, observation. Okay, then we will organically reach towards the solution. We will not directly start discussing the solution. Okay, this thing we need to take care of. So guys, the thing is that the link to the problem I am sending it in the chat. Okay, you guys can check out where it is. This is the link to the problem, guys. You can open our website and you can check there also. This is the link to the problem. Good. Everyone can start opening and enjoying this problem. Apart from that, yeah, more than 100 people are there in the meeting. I really love it. So guys, this is my introduction. I don't want to waste much time on that. Okay, let's focus on the main thing. So guys, see, this problem came to you, say, in the Google way. How will you solve it? So the problem, if I try to open and see what have they written, the name of the problem is pairs, and they are saying that you guys can take 1 to 2 minutes to read this problem because I'm not directly going to solve it. Okay, you guys can go and read. You guys can go and check the constraints as well. Guys, before I start solving this problem, it's very much necessary that we first clear up our basic concepts, and I want to show how, if your basic concepts are clear, you can solve even the hardest of the problems. That's why first we are going to solve this prerequisite problem. Okay, so just a second. Yeah, this is not the prerequisite problem. Let me change the link. Yeah, I think this is the prerequisite problem. First, guys, we are going to solve this problem, and depending on this problem's solution, we will easily solve the Google OA problem. Okay, so first we are going to solve this problem, and I'm adding the link to the prerequisite problem here. Okay, and I'm adding the link to the prerequisite problem here as well in the chat as well. Okay, I'm adding the link to the prerequisite problem in the chat as well. Okay, guys, this is it. Guys, all of you can start opening the problem. Meanwhile, I am reading what the question is trying to say. Okay. Hmm. So, guys, the question is saying that you are given an integer array. Now, you are given an array and an integer k. In one operation, you can pick two numbers from the array whose sum is equal k and remove them from the array. Return the maximum number of operations you can perform on the array. Basically, they are saying that understanding. Let's clear the understanding of the problem. What are they trying to say? First, we I want that all of us solve this lead code problem before going to the Google way problem. Then the Google way problem will be easy for us. So, guys, they are saying that you are given an integer array. You are given an integer array of size n. Good going, nice. Now they are saying find out the maximum number of pairs whose sum is k. Once you select a pair, you cannot select it again. Once you select x comma y, you can never use x or y in any other pair. Got the thing, guys? So I will try to explain it with a very simple example. I want all of the students to be active. Okay, no, Pratik, we don't need to do binary search, luckily. Yes, guys. So now I want everyone to be super focused, guys. Everyone listen to me, okay? So I'm saying that we are given an array, right? We are given an array like this. And our we want to find the number of pairs in the array whose sum is, say, 10. Okay? The sum is should be 10. So the numbers are like this, okay? 2 2, then 8 8 8 8, and then there is a 9. Okay, okay, guys, can everyone tell me in the chat which are those pairs in this array such that that sum is 10? First, you try the first number, which is 1. Guys, 1 plus what will you do? Then it will become 10. Use your common sense. You want the pair whose sum is 10. So 1 plus 9 will be 10. So 1 and 9 is going to make a valid pair. That's it. Got it, guys? Guys, can you write the pairs which are going to make the sum 10 for this particular array? And all start writing very, very quickly. Be very fast about it, okay? Be very fast about it. Yes, Hari, correct. 192828. Guys, how many total pairs are there? Can you tell me? Namya, congratulations, guys. Please, uh, Send some emojis for Namya. She gave the first correct answer. Okay, Namya. Thank you. There are only three pairs possible. Why? Because one pair will be this one. I'm changing the color. One pair will be what? This one and this nine. Another pair, ये तुम नहीं बोल सकते कि भैया ये वन भी ये नाइन के साथ आएगा, नहीं. इस वन की शादी इस नाइन के साथ हो सकी है, इसका को फिर से यूज नहीं कर सकते हो, लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर. Once you select x comma y, you can never use x or y in any other pair. So समझो, there is a difference. Once you select this one and this nine, you cannot select this one and this nine. A nine की शादी हो चुकी है, it's done. Okay, so this one is now lonely and he will die lonely. Okay, now guys, we come to two. We come to a two. Now tell me 2 plus what will you do, then it will become 10. You have to add 2 with 8. So this 2 will make a pair with this 8. Okay, good, good, nice. Then this 2 will make a pair with this 8. See, there is one more 8 for this. Now these 8s have no 2s, so they will die lonely. Guys, do you understand the lonely versus not lonely concept? Start writing yes in the chat and be super fast about it. Do you understand lonely versus non-lonely? Some people are lonely, some people are not. Okay, so I will explain it for one more time. Suppose you have a bucket A. Okay, bucket A. Okay, there are some numbers in the bucket A, and then you have a bucket B. Okay, and there are some numbers here. Say here I have written 2 3 times, and here I have written 8 2 times. You want the target sum to be 10. Guys, how many pairs are there whose sum will be 10? Bucket A plus bucket B. Tell me in the chat. Why only 2? Because this 2 will pair with this 8 and this 2 will pair with this 8. Guys, so can you make a law that if you have the if whatever is the minimum frequency of the bucket A or bucket B, that will be the number of pairs. Guys, do you agree with me or not? For example, समझो यहाँ पर आपके पास, समझो आपको, suppose you wanted x plus y equal to k. Okay, and in this bucket there are 5x. Okay, like this, 1 2 3 4 5, and in this bucket there are 2y's. हाँ, अब कोई आके तुमको बोले कि कितने पैर है जिनका सम के आ रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली ये x को ये y से जोड़ोगे और ये x को ये y से जोड़ोगे, तो दोनों बकेट में जो मिनिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी है उतने ही तो पैर बन पाएंगे ना. यहाँ पर दो से ज्यादा y है ही नहीं, तो ये पांचों का क्या मतलब? So basically, can anyone formulate this observation nicely? What is the observation? Observation is pretty simple, guys. Observation is pretty simple. If you want to know the number of pairs x comma y such that x plus y is equal to k, answer is what? Minimum of frequency of x comma frequency of y. So whosever frequency is coming for less number of times, that will be your answer. It's common sense, guys. Common sense. Guys, do you all understand this concept that the minimum of the frequency will be the answer? Everyone start writing yes in the chat and don't be slow. You are now a Kumar K student. Be super, super interactive. Everyone start writing yes in the chat. Great going. Nice. Guys, minimum समझ गए हो ना क्यों ले रहे हैं? Yes, yes, Gopal. Correct, correct. So, guys, please try to understand that if you want to find the number of pairs x plus y equal to k such that you cannot use those pairs again, आप फिर से यूज नहीं कर सकते हो, तो आंसर क्या होगा? Answer will always be the minimum frequency of both. Okay, the minimum frequency of x comma y, the minimum frequency of x comma y, as I wrote it here. Clear, guys? Clear? This much is clear. Now how can we solve this problem, guys? It is very easy. First, you can create a hash map. You can convert the array into hash map. So what should be our algorithm for solving this problem? We can easily convert our we can easily what should be the algorithm? Algorithm is very basic and very simple. We can easily convert our array into hash map, where hash map will be what? Number comma frequency. Number comma frequency. Great going, guys. Nice. I love it. So Let's try to solve this question. Suppose guys, there were our array used to look like this. One, 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 two, two, eight, 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 nine, nine. Okay, and our target k is equal to 10. Okay, so guys, can anyone tell me in the chat, if you convert this array into a hash map, how will it look? You travel the array from start to end and you store all the numbers and their frequencies in a hash map. Let's call this hash map as KK. Okay, double K. Double K is the name of the hash map. So how many times one is coming? One is coming for four times. So it looks like 1 dash 4. Two is coming for two times. Two is coming for two times. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 is coming for five times. 9 is coming for two times. So our hash map is looking like this: 12894252. 1289, 1289. These are the numbers which are coming in the array, and these are their frequencies. Okay, these are their frequencies. How many times one is coming? I don't remember exactly. 5, 4, 2, 5, 2. Okay, 4, 2, 5, 2. 4, 2, 5, 2. 4, 2, 5, 2. 4, 2, 5, 2. Yes, Ikansh correct. Vipin correct. Who gave the first answer correctly? Anvesha gave the first correct answer. So Anvesha, you will get prize today. Make sure to message me on WhatsApp. Okay. So guys, how does the look? How does it look? 4252. So guys, इसका कोई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मतलब नहीं है. इसका सिर्फ इतना सा मतलब है कि वन इतनी बार आ रहा है, दो इतनी बार आ रहा है, आठ इतनी बार आ रहा है और नौ इतनी बार आ रहा है. ठीक है ना? देख सकते हो आप लोग, इतनी बार आ रहा है. Now what will you do is you will travel this map nicely, okay, and you will get your answer very easily. You know what you have to do now? You just go and check the number one. You check this number, how many times it is coming, how many times it is coming, how many times it is coming. It is coming for four times. And if you are one, you can only pair with 9 to make it 10, right? So you instantly check how many times 9 is coming. How many times 9 is coming, guys? Two times. So answer will be minimum of frequency of 1 comma minimum of frequency of 9, which is minimum of 4 comma 2. Minimum of 4 comma 2. What is the minimum of 4 comma 2? 2. Hence two pairs are there which are bonding 1 and 9. Then you go to the second element of the hash map. You see there is a 2. Now 2 can only add up with 8 and give 10, right? So you catch this guy, the current number and its partner. You check both of the frequencies, 2 and 5. 2 and 5. You take minimum of them. What is the minimum of 2 comma 5? Again 2. So the pairs of 1 comma 9 are 2 and 2 comma 8 are 2. So guys, what are the total number of pairs? 2 plus 2. Guys, did you all understood that the total number of pairs in this test case which are valid are nothing but 4? Everyone start writing yes in the chat or start writing 4 in the chat if they understood what is happening. Everyone be super quick about it. Good. Yesterday guys, I woke up at 6 a.m. until night 10 p.m. I was doing one-to-one mentoring. And even today I woke up and I started doing my work again. So you guys should also be like this hardworking and keep on generating good results for me. Anyways, going back. So guys, now you understand the algorithm. The algorithm, guys, is clear to everyone. All you have to do is convert the array into hash map. Then you travel the hash map. Okay, guys, और एक चीज बताओ क्या? जब आप when you are done with traveling 1 and 2, you should not travel 8 and 9. Can anyone tell me why you should not travel 8 and 9? Let's see if my students have some brain or mind or intelligence. Guys, once we are done traveling 1 and 2, why should we not travel 8 and 9? Because we have already taken them. अभी अभी तो उसके पार्टनर्स को डिस्कस किया था ना. यू हैव ट्रेवल्ड वन एंड टू. जब आपने वन ट्रेवल किया तो आपने नाइन को ऑलरेडी कंसीडर कर लिया. जब आपने टू को ट्रेवल किया आपने एट को ऑलरेडी कंसीडर कर लिया. तो बार बार थोड़ी ना. अब जब एट को आओगे तो वो एट फिर से बोलेगा मेरा टू से पैर बनाओ. अभी तो बनाया था कितनी बार. कितनी बार आपको शादी करनी है? एक ही बार करनी होती है. सो द थिंग इज दैट you should take a extra map which will tell you which are the numbers you have used. So when you come at one position, you can write in that map that 1 and 9 has been used. When you come at two position, you should write in that another map that 2 and 8 has been used. When you come at 8, you will not do anything because in another map it will be shown that 8 is used, don't do anything. When you come at 9, the another map will tell you that 9 has been used, don't do anything. So guys, do all of you. Yes, we can remove, but why to do so many operations, right? Guys, do you understand why am I using another map? We can do that also, Gaurav. We can do that also. Just our choice. The time complexity, space complexities remains of the same order, O of n. Okay, guys. Yeah. So, guys, should we go towards the code? Start writing yes in the chat and be super fast about it. I want at least 10-15 people to tell me yes. Yes, good, good. So as we know that I discuss all types of code, C++, Java, Python. My real lead code account, okay, my real lead code account. I have not went from so many times. I think it is this. Yeah. So see, even with solving less number of problems, you can have good rating. That's a lie, okay? Anyways, let me check. Yeah, today also there is a contest. We need to go. Hmm. Anyways, guys, and this is the premium account which I use. Okay, so let's check the premium. The premium account has little bit benefits. You are able to do some questions which they don't give to other people. That's why, nothing else. So one of my students gifted me this 12,000 rupees premium account. So guys, I am very lucky. My LinkedIn premium is also gifted to me by student. My lead code premium is also gifted to me by my student. All my services given to me by my students. Okay. Anyways, guys, so let's go towards the code. Okay, let's go towards the C++ code. What it's trying to say. The code is very easy, so we don't need to spend much time here. Okay. Hmm. So guys, I wanted to make it a little bit bigger. I don't know, uh, like, okay, yeah. So guys, you can see that in the C++ code you're creating an unordered map KK, which I said just now in the session, and then there is the another map GG which will tell you which numbers have been used. Okay, so you will travel the array from start to end. Okay, in one while loop I equal to 0 till n, and you will keep on updating the map. The KK of nums I is nothing but KK of nums of I plus 1. Okay, I'm giving the link to the C++ code currently in the chat also, so the people in the meeting can themselves check. Guys, given to you, lovely people. Okay, so guys, actually 200 people have tried to join the meeting today. I did not expect so many people to join. So many people are not able to join. Anyways, guys, what is happening in the C++ code? I'm just running a simple while loop and I'm storing all the details of the array in the hash map KK. Once that is done, what I'm doing, I'm again traveling the array. Whenever I see a number is nothing but nums of I calculate its partner. अरे पार्टनर क्या होगा? K माइनस नंबर ही होगा ना. अगर तुम्हारा टारगेट के था, अब तुम एक नंबर पर हो जिसका वैल्यू एक्स है, तो एक्स प्लस क्या करोगे? एक्स प्लस वाई करोगे तो के आएगा ना. तो वाई को मैं बोल रहा हूँ पार्टनर. सो वाई इज नथिंग बट के माइनस एक्स. ओके, वेर एक्स इज नंबर, दैट्स वाई आई हैव रिटन पार्टनर इक्वल टू के माइनस नंबर. सी, आई हैव रिटन हियर partner equal to k minus number. Now, if that number has never been used before, guys, it was written in the code. The number and its partner should have never been used before. So if GG of number is 0 and if GG of partner is 0, then the answer will be what? If both the numbers are same, then you take its frequency and you add half of the frequency to the answer. But if both the numbers are different, then guys, minimum frequency of both of them. Okay, once this is done, you said GG of number as 1, GG of partner as 1, it means they both have been used. अब नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर ये आएगा तो कंडीशन इफ नहीं चलेगी. इसलिए अपडेट करना बहुत जरूरी है कि नंबर और पार्टनर यूज हो चुके, फिर से यूज मत करना इनको. समझे बात को? एंड देन यू रिटर्न द आंसर, योर जॉब इज डन. अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि भैया नंबर इक्वल टू पार्टनर है तो आपने ये क्यों किया? दिस फॉर्मूला इज ओनली करेक्ट. दिस फॉर्मूला is only correct if x is not equal to y. समझे? अगर x y से बराबर हो गया तो नंबर ऑफ पेयर्स मिनिमम नहीं होगा फिर. समझे बात को? समझाता हूँ फिर से. Guys, can anyone tell me what will happen if x is equal to y when we are trying to calculate the frequencies? Let's see if my students are able to use their brain. Now, समझो कोई आके बोले कि भाई बकेट ए में our goal was to get k equal to 6. Our goal was to get k equal to 6. Okay, guys? Our goal was to get k equal to 6. Okay? And there are these many threes in bucket A. And there are these many threes in bucket B. How many pairs are possible? Now the answer, so okay, सारे थ्री एक ही तो बकेट में होंगे ना, तो बकेट भी है ही नहीं, बकेट बी जीरो. बकेट बी में आपको कुछ मिलेगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि 3 और 3 6 होते हैं, दोनों सेम हो गया, तो दोनों एक ही बकेट में मिलेंगे ना. तो हाउ मेनी थ्रीज आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 5. So guys, if there are 5 3, how many pairs can come? 5 by 2. This 3 will make pair with this 3, this 3 will make pair with this 3, and this 3 will remain lonely. I am so lonely. Okay. So guys, always remember, if x is equal to y, means x plus y is equal to k, but x is also equal to y. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Then whatever is the number of threes, frequency of 3 by 2 will be the number of pairs. Guys, did you understand why the answer will be frequency of x by 2? Everyone write in the chat frequency of x by 2 if x is equal to y. Whoever writes it nicely, I will give them uh, shout out. Guys, correctly write the law. If frequency of x is equal, if x is equal to y, if x is equal to y, then the answer is frequency of x by 2. Someone write it in the chat and be super fast about it. Yes, Akash did it. So Akash will be getting the shout out. Shout out. So according to Akash's law, okay, according to Akash's law, should take care of these corner cases, or else how will you pass the Google OA? Okay. According to the Akash's law, what will happen is that if x is equal to y, then answer will be frequency of x by 2, or frequency of y by 2 doesn't matter, both are same. समझे? तो जब इक्वल होता है तो ध्यान रखा करो. तो बस यही है एल्गोरिदम, यही था इसका कोड. ठीक है, यही मैंने यहाँ पर लिख के रखा था. अगर नंबर इज इक्वल टू पार्टनर, देन आंसर इज आंसर प्लस frequency of number by 2, or else the minimum of number and partner frequency. That's it. C++ code most of the people have understood. Similarly, if you guys go and check the Java code, same, nothing is different here. Nothing is different at all, guys. Nothing is different at all. People call me way too much these days. Anyways, guys, in the Java code also see taking two maps KK and GG, okay, and doing the basically the same things. I'm sending the link to the Java code also in the chat, okay. Java code sent in the chat. Java code is also now sent in the chat. So if you guys go and check the Java code, you'll come to know that there is nothing special. Same thing is happening. You are iterating the array. You are putting all the values of the array in the hash map KK. Okay. Then you calculate the number. You calculate the partner. You again check that the number is coming for the first time and partner also coming for the first time. If that is true, number equal to partner, you calculate the frequency and add frequency by 2, y by 2 to the answer, or minimum of number comma minimum of partner frequency, and the answer is this. That's it, guys. The Java stuff is also done. Now if you go to the Python code, I am sending the link to the Python code also, guys, in the chat, and I'll try to py code. I have to take care of everyone. Yeah, I don't exactly remember, Tanmaya Sethia. Some DTU or NSUT people sent me this. Yeah. And guys, this is the py code. Okay, py code, guys, please okay, I am not given the proper link, guys. I have given, guys, the py code is also given now. Okay, the Python code same. You make a KK dictionary, GG dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but a map in Python. Then you travel through all the numbers of the array. You write KK of number is KK get number comma 0 plus 1, basically storing the things in the hash map. Okay, you first get that number. If that is not available, then you replace it by 0 and add 1 to the frequency. Same things, guys. You know the number, you know the partner, and then same thing, guys. Same. coming for the first time, number equal to partner, then answer equal to answer plus 5 by 2, or minimum of frequency of number comma minimum of frequency of partner, then you update the used value gg of number 1, gg of partner 1, and the job is done. Guys, is the C++, Python, Java, is all these three solutions of this lead code problem, which is the prerequisite of Google OA problem, clear to everyone? Everyone start writing yes in the chat. I want 10, 20, 30 yes right now before we go to the actual Google OA. Guys, super clear? Everyone clear? Nice, nice, great, 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 great. Everyone has written yes. Now I think we can go to the final stuff. गाइज अब मैंने तुम लोग को समझा दिया है कि ये क्वेश्चन को हैशिंग से कैसे करना था, आपका बेसिक चीजें क्लियर है. तो चलो अब मेन बात पर आ जाते हैं. आई थिंक पीपल आर नाउ रेडी फॉर द गूगल ओए प्रॉब्लम. लेट्स ओपन इट. You are given an array of n integers. You want to group the numbers into pairs such that the sum of the elements of each pair is same. Each element can be the part of at most one pair. It is not necessary for all the elements to be part of some pair. Determine the maximum number of pairs such that the sum of the element is same for all the pairs. Guys. Now, because you have done the past lead code problem, the question understanding should be easier for you. Okay. What is the question trying to say? What is the question trying to say? They are saying that you are given an integer, you are given an array of size n. It's now super easy problem, guys. Only because you have solved the previous problem. You are given an array of size n. They are saying try to find the maximum number of pairs whose sum is k. Whose sum is k. But k is unknown. K is unknown. k आप लोग को बताया ही नहीं है इन्होंने क्या है. खुद ही ढूंढते बैठो. समझे? Fix such a k that the number of pairs comes as maximum. That the number of pairs come as maximum. समझे ये क्वेश्चन का डिफरेंस गाइस? वो सेम उसी के जैसे वही पूछ रहा है जो लास्ट टाइम पूछा था. Try to find the maximum number of pairs whose sum is k, but k is unknown. You yourself fix a k such that the number of pairs come as maximum. k हमको नहीं पता भाई. तुमको जो k लेना है लो और मैक्सिमम आंसर लेके आओ. Guys, the understanding of question is clear to all the people. Everyone start writing yes in the chat. Fast. Everyone start writing yes and be super quick about it. Don't be slow. You are Kumar K student. Don't be slow. Good. Guys, I am sending the link to the question also. Guys, now I'm sending finally the link to the document also. Now you guys, all the 85 people who are with me, grown up people, 20 plus year of age, now they get the benefit of the document on which I'm explaining. Everyone can start opening this. Now it's everyone can start opening and using this document now. Okay, guys, तो क्वेश्चन हमको क्या बोल रहा है कि आपको फिर से वही करना है जो आप पहले कर रहे थे. आपको मैक्सिमम पेयर्स ही ढूंढने हैं जिनका सम के है, बट के मुझे नहीं पता. हो सकता है के इक्वल टू 1 अच्छा हो, के इक्वल टू 2 अच्छा हो. तो गाइस, व्हाट कैन बी द सोल्यूशन? You can run the same, you can run the algorithm for k equal to 1, then you can run the algorithm for k equal to 2. Guys, you can keep on doing this, you can keep on doing this, you can keep on doing this. Then you can run the algorithm for k equal to sum of two largest numbers, because that can be the maximum pair sum na. Maximum pairs. Out of all these choices, pick the maximum answer, and your job is done. Okay, but in the worst case, what can happen, guys? We need to check. Yes, guys, can you think what can be the range of k? Can you think what can be the range of k, guys? Range of k. 2 into 10 raised to 9 भाई, 2 into 10 raised to 9, ध्यान से देखो क्या लिखा है। अगर एक नंबर 10 raised to 9 है तो उसका भाई भी 10 raised to 9 हो सकता है, तो मैक्सिमम पेयर में दो नंबर हो सकते हैं, 10 raised to 9 प्लस 10 raised to 9, 10 raised to 9 प्लस 10 raised to 9, इट इज नथिंग बट 2 into 10 raised to 9। मतलब आपका एल्गोरिदम कितना सड़ा हुआ होगा तो भी मैं आपको दिखा देता हूं, चलो। Guys, what will be the solution? Everyone ready with the pseudocode? The solution is very simple. Let's assume I start from the sum, zero भी तो हो सकता है ना, चलो zero भी ले लिया, खुश कर देते हैं। K can be, guys, anything from 0 till 2 into 10 raised to 9, right? So while K less than equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, ठीक है, ऐसा लिख दो। So guys, the thing is that all these possible K's are the answer. So what can be the answer for a particular K? We will run the lead code algorithm, guys. We will run the lead code algorithm, which we did just now. We will pass the parameter of what? Our array B, and I will pass the parameter of K, and I will get the answer. But हमको maximum चाहिए, right? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ ध्यान से समझो। हमको एक integer n दिया हुआ है। Now I am also given an array B, okay? Array B. Now what am I doing? For each particular K, I am trying to calculate what will be the maximum number of pairs. और वो मैंने ऊपर पहले ही अभी प्रैक्टिस किया है। ये है वो एल्गोरिदम, ये है वो एल्गोरिदम, ठीक है ना। मैं यही चीज सेम ऊपर के ऊपर डाल दूंगा। दिस एल्गोरिदम टेल्स मी व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पेयर्स सच दैट देयर सम इज के। सो ये लो मैंने यहाँ पर डाल दिया, और इस एल्गोरिदम का नाम मैंने डाल दिया लीड कोड, ठीक है, लीड कोड। ये फंक्शन कॉल हो जाएगी। Got it, guys? Guys, can you understand what trick I am doing? I am doing nothing. I am just iterating from 0 to 2 into 10 raised to 9. That can be all the possible case. For all the possible case, directly calculate the answer ना। अभी अभी तो कोड लिखा था, फिर से थोड़ी लिखोगे, बच्चे थोड़ी हो, ठीक है। ये रहा लीड कोड, डायरेक्ट ही फंक्शन में जाएगा, एक झटके में बता देगा कितने पेयर्स है जिनका सम के है मैक्सिमम। अब हमको मैक्सिमम आंसर चाहिए था ना, तो फाइनल आंसर ऐसा वी डिक्लेयर द फाइनल आंसर लाइक दिस, एंड देन final answer is nothing but max of final answer comma final answer comma आंसर। बस इनमें से जो भी के का सबसे अच्छा आंसर आया था वही आप प्रिंट कर दीजिए, और वही फाइनल आपका आंसर है। डन guys, guys, is the brute force clear to all the people? Everyone start writing s in the chat and be super fast about it. Guys, is the brute force clear? Everyone, I don't want कि कोई भी confused हो, सबका brute force एकदम clear होना चाहिए, super clear. Your Kumar के student, it should be clear to you. So I will be pasting this brute force in IDEON for one time, just for one small time. Okay, it's very easy. Just use common sense in your life. बहुत आगे चले जाओगे. Okay. So guys, now copy हो जाओ भाई. Okay. Guys, this is the pseudo code. The actual codes you will get to see in some time. So guys, you guys can see that this is one possible solution. Okay. You can see that this is one possible solution. Guys, there is one smart solution also. One smart solution also. The smart solution is, what can be the values of k? What can be the values of k? Guys, can anyone smartly tell me what can be the values of k? What can be the possible values of k, guys? It can only it can only be the sum of pairs, sum of different pairs in the array. इतना सिंपल था ये क्वेश्चन, समझ गए बात को? अरे कौन से डिफरेंट पेयर्स आ सकते हैं बोलो? वो जो पेयर सम है वही तो सम हो सकते हैं ना, क्यों इतना दिमाग लगाना लाइफ में जब क्वेश्चन इतना इजी है। अब आपको जानना है कि कौन कौन से के हो सकते हैं, राइट? समझो आपका एरे ऐसा दिख रहा है, ये आपका एरे है, ठीक है, 1 1 2 2 8 9। तो अब कौन कौन से के पॉसिबल हो सकते हैं? या तो के हो सकता है 1 + 1 2, या तो के हो सकता है 1 + 2 3, या तो के हो सकता है 1 + 8 क्या कहते हैं अपना 9, या तो के कैन बी 1 + 9 10, और द के कैन बी 1 + 2 तो सब हो गया, 2 + 2 4, और द के कैन बी 2 + 8 10 जो ऑलरेडी लिख लिया है, और द के कैन बी 2 + 9 11, और द के कैन बी 8 + 9 वॉट 17। तो क्यों ना सिर्फ यही केस पर ट्राई किया जाए, पूरी महाभारत क्यों लिखने जा रहे हो? वाई आर यू राइटिंग द महाभारत when you can just iterate on the case which will can only come? Only these many case can come, not all from 1 to 2 raised to 10, 2 into 10 raised to 9. So guys, do you agree that we should only try the case whose guys, can anyone write nicely the law? Which are the possible values of k? First we calculate. Anvesha, write it nicely or your turn will go away. What is the algorithm, guys, which will be the possible values of k? Everyone start writing in the chat nicely. Their law will be made. Whoever writes it nicely in English in the Google chat, उनका फिर से shout out मिलेगा. Which are the possible values? Harsh Patel did. The possible values of k are only the sum of pairs in the array. Guys, Harsh Patel did it. Congratulations, guys. Emojis for Harsh Patel. Fast, fast, quick. Emojis for Harsh Patel. हर्ष पटेल डिड इट. हाँ, ऐसा जोर से फोड़ने का अच्छा लगता है. सो गाइज, अकॉर्डिंग टू हर्ष पटेल्स लॉ, अकॉर्डिंग हर्ष पटेल्स लॉ, what is the Harsh Patel's law saying? Harsh Patel's law is saying that the possible values of k are only the sum of pairs in the array. So let's calculate. So let's calculate only for those k. So let's calculate only for those k. Okay, guys. So guys, all we need to do is we need to find a sum of pairs of all the like we need to iterate through all the pairs of the array and the job is done. I think everyone is with me now. Let's write it very easily, guys. अब अपना काम खत्म हो चुका है. कुछ नहीं करना, कुछ नहीं करना, एकदम easy question है, हलवा हलवा question. Okay, so all you need to do is you iterate from I equal to 0. You iterate all the pairs I less than n, I plus plus, j इक्वल टू वॉट, j इक्वल टू अरे कोई भी ले लो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. while j less than n, see I and j are all the pairs of the array. I and j are all the pairs of the array. That's it. I am writing j equal to j plus 1. ये मत सोचना कुमार के को आती नहीं है. पाइथन वाले लोग को ऑफेंड नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, उनको पता नहीं चलता i plus plus क्या है. I equal to I plus 1. Okay, so guys, the thing is that we now know what can be the value of k, guys. K will nothing be but what? B of I plus B of j. B of I plus B of j. That's it. And then same to same cheese chip though. Answer for this, you will run the lead code algorithm, and you guys can see how if your basics are clear, lead code algorithm, you can crack the Google OA also. Okay, the basics should be clear. They're only trying to change the language so it gets difficult for you. So guys, k equal to B of I plus B of j. Answer is lead code B of k, and that's it. Now what will be the time complexity, guys? This first while loop will take O of n time. The second while loop will take O of n time. And this lead code algorithm will take O of n time. O of n time. So total time कितना हो जाएगा? O of n cube. The total time complexity will be O of n cube, and this is efficient in this case. Why? Because it is clearly given in the exam that n is 100. ध्यान से पढ़ो, लिखा था वहां पर n 100 है, तो n क्यूब कितना होगा? 10⁻6 होगा. And 10⁻6 operations is very very efficient. Okay, always remember that in competitive programming, or let's say in OA, okay, if the after calculating the time complexity, na, input the actual values, input the see, our time complexity is coming as O of n cube, right? O of n cube. I don't know why it is not working nicely currently. एक second रुक जाओ. Guys, the time complexity is coming as O of n cube. So what you should do in an OA, you first substitute n equal to 100. n equal to 100. देखो दिया हुआ है इधर क्वेश्चन में, क्या दिया है? n की वैल्यू 100 हो सकती है. तो अगर n की वैल्यू 100 ही है, तो इतना लाइफ में स्ट्रेस क्यों लेना भाई? ठीक है, n का वैल्यू 100 है ना, तो 100 को डालो, क्या होता है? ओ ऑफ 10 रेज टू 6 आ जाएगा। अब ये मुझे मत बोलना कि भैया 100 को क्यूब करते तो 10 रेज टू 6 कैसा आया। अगर ये बोलोगे, अभी के अभी आप जाइए अपने फर्स्ट फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड टीचर के पास और उनसे रिफंड मांगिए। ये चीजें मैं नहीं बताऊंगा आपको। ओके, सो गाइस टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑपरेशंस इज 10 रेज टू 6। फिर आपको उन टीचर से जो भी रिफंड मिलेगा वो मुझे दे देना, मैं आपको समझा दूंगा बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स। ओके, एनीवेज गाइस, नाउ the thing is that row of 10 raised to 6, so your number of operations should be maximum 10 raised to 8. If there are 10 raised to 8 operations going on in your program, it takes 1 second to calculate. And in most of the coding questions they only give us maximum 1 second time limit. So 10 raised to 8 तक चलता है हमारा। देखो कितना कम है 10 raised to 8 से। हमारा 0 पॉइंट क्या कहते हैं 0.01 सेकेंड में एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगी। सो आवर एल्गोरिदम इज फुल्ली करेक्ट। The space complexity will be O of n because I'm using only one extra. I'm using only these two maps here, and the size of these two maps can only be O of n for one particular time. Okay, we keep on using it again and again, but वही n space को बार बार use करते हैं. So space complexity is O of n, and the time complexity is O of n cube, and our job is done. Now let me add those things here. Guys, did everyone understood what's going on? Everyone start writing yes in the chat if they enjoyed, they understood. Start reacting with emojis. Be super fast. The actual C++, Python, Java codes are also given below there only in that document. I am sending all those things very soon there. Okay, this is the another solution, and all the stuff is now there. I will upload this to YouTube also. No need to worry. But why is this not working? Mm-hmm. Uh, yeah. Good. Guys, the C++ Java codes are here. Okay, you guys can check same algorithm I have used. Okay, and I am sending the link to this document in Google OA4. You guys can react there also to this message. This is code plus analysis plus thoughts plus doc. Okay, code. You guys can see how many messages I keep on getting. That's why I get disturbed. I get a little bit. I am very busy. That's why. Okay, so code plus analysis plus thought plus doc. Okay, thought doc. If you want that, this document is here. You guys can check, and the video will be coming out soon. Okay, no need to worry, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to solve a very serious, hard Cisco Ideathon OA problem. So be ready for that as well. Okay, and the timing I will try to keep it same like today. Okay, yeah. I hope most of the people understood and enjoyed. Yeah, yeah, guys. For now, I'm stopping the recording. Let me check. Yes, thank you, Anvesha. Thank you, everyone. N cube, N cube, N cube. Okay, guys. Many people are having different kind of issues, like they are having some personal issues of not getting job 2023 grad, etc., etc. Anyone has any kind of issue, they can always contact me on WhatsApp. They already know my number. That in the Google OA4 group, the guy who has messaged is me only. Okay.